Assalamu alaikum and hello everyone. Welcome to Mathematics with Surname Safdar. In this video, I'm going to demonstrate terminating and non-terminating fractions. At the end of this video, you will able to convert recurring decimals to fractions. It is considered as a tough topic. Let me make it easy for you. First of all, understand what are terminating decimal fractions. Those fractions which end after a finite number of digits. For example, we all know 1 divided by 2 is 0.5. It has one decimal place. It has one decimal place. 1 upon 4 0.25. It has two decimal place. So these decimals end after a finite number of digits. So we can convert these decimals into fractions just by dividing by 10 or 100 or by 1000 depending on the number of decimal places, because it has 1 dp, so divided by 10. It is 2 decimal place, so divided by 100. It has 3 decimal places, so divided by 1000. We can easily convert terminating decimals into fractions. So denominator of terminating decimals are 10, 100 or 1000. Next, non-terminating and recurring decimals. 1 divided by 3 is 0.3333 dot means this 3 is repeating forever, means continue infinitely. So non-terminating and recurring decimals are those decimals whose decimal part is repeating forever, continue infinitely. 4 divided by 9 is 0.444 and 57 divided by 99 is 0.575757. If we divide 32 by 90 in calculator, you will get 0.35555. Likewise, we have more recurring decimal fractions. Okay, just for the simplicity, we will write 0.3, as 3 is repeating, so we will put dot over the 3, and 0.444 can be written as 0.4 dot. As in this example 7 is repeating, so we will put dot on the both. 0.3, 5 is repeating, so only dot at the 5. 0.51 is not repeating, 2 is only repeating, so we will put 2 at the dot at the 2. 0.5, as 4 6 is repeating, so we will put dot at 4 6. Here 742 is continuously repeating, so we will write 0.5, 742 is the repeating part, so we will put dot at 742. Now you all know what are non-terminating and recurring decimals. Those fractions whose decimals is repeating are known as recurring decimals, as 0.3333 never ending. So these all are non-terminating and recurring decimals. As we all know, we have non-terminating and non-recurring decimals. These are non-terminating and recurring decimals, but we also have non-terminating and non-recurring decimals, and we cannot convert these decimals into fractions. They are irrational numbers like pi and √2. So what are our objectives? We can convert recurring decimals to fractions. What are recurring decimals? Digit or group of digits repeats forever. There is a periodicity. Okay, it's very easy to convert 0.3 dot into fraction. So first we will introduce a variable. Let x be the variable 0.3 dot. As 3 dot means 3 is repeating, so we will write this 3 at least 4 times. 0.3333 dot dot dot. Now keep multiplying with 10. Keep multiplying with 10. You have to memorize this step. X becomes 10x and 0.333 becomes 3.33. When we multiply by 10, then this decimal shift inside 3.333. As we have same series 0.333, after the decimal we have same series. If we have after that decimal same series, then we will subtract. If we subtract, then this 0.333 and 0.333 cancel out, and we will subtract 3 minus 0 only. And here we are subtracting, to 10x minus x is 9x and 3 minus 0 is 3. So in next step 9 will be divided, so 3 by 9 is 1 by 3. So like this we can convert 0.3 recurring decimal dot 0.3 dot into fraction, and the answer is x is 1 by 3. Now you can perform next question. Convert 0.4 dot into fraction. Its answer will be 4 by 9. Next question. Convert 0.5 repeating, 7 repeating into fraction. First introduce any alphabet like x. X is 0.5 dot 7 dot, as 5 7 both has repeating symbol, so we will write 5 7 4 times. 5 7 5 7 5 7 dot dot dot. Now keep multiplying by 10. X becomes 10x and 0.57 becomes 5.7. Now we are trying to make the same decimal part, same decimal series. As first series is 5 7 5 7 5 7, but the second series is 7 5 7 5 7 5 7. These two series are not same, so we will keep multiplying by 10. Again multiply by 10. So when we multiply x by 10, it becomes 10x, and if we multiply 10x by again by 10, तो 10 10s are 100. x से बनेगा 10x और 10x से बनेगा 100x, और 100x को अगर आपने मल्टीप्लाई कर दिया तो 1000. तो 1 10 100 और 1000 if you keep multiplying by 10. And here we have 0.57. If we multiply by 10, then this decimal will shift inside. It becomes 5.75757. If we again multiply by 10, then this becomes 5.7 becomes 57. If you notice, now we have same decimal series. If you obtain same decimal series, then you can subtract. Now we will subtract 0.57 0.57 0.57 0.57. In operation of subtraction gets 0, cancel out, finish हो जाएगा. तो 100x minus x and 57 minus 0. (99x) 57 minus 0 is 57, so answer is 57 by 99. Like this you can convert 0.5 dot 7 dot into fraction. Next question. Now we have to convert 0.51 to 2 dot 2 is only repeating into fraction. So first introduce x, then 2 dot means write 2 at least 4 times dot dot dot. Now keep multiplying by 10. So x becomes 10x, 0.51222 becomes 5.12222. Again as our purpose is like decimal series, here we have 0.51222 and here we have 0.1222. As both the series are not same, so we will keep multiplying by 10. So x multiply by 10, 10x, 10x multiply by 10, 100x. And if we multiply again by 10, then this decimal will shift inside more. So 5.122 becomes 51.2222. Now observe, we have first decimal series is 0.51222 and second decimal series is 0.1222 and the third decimal series is 0.222. All the decimal series are different. So we will again multiply by 10. Again multiply by 10. 100x after multiplying by 10 becomes 1000x and 51.222 becomes 512.222. Decimal एक digit और inside move कर जाएगा. अच्छा. Now observe which two series are same. Which two series are same? Here we have decimal series. And observe which two series are same. Here we have 0.222 and here we also have 0.222. These two series are same. So we will subtract these two series because their decimal parts are same. So our objective is try to make the same decimal series just by multiplying by 10. Now subtract 1000x minus 100x. 1000 minus 100 becomes 900x and 512.22 becomes after subtraction with 51.2222. So this decimal series, these two decimal series are same, so they will get cancelled. 512 minus 51 becomes 461. If we divide 900, so our answer 461 divided by 900. Like this we can convert 0.512 dot into fraction. So next question is convert 0.35 dot into fraction and its answer is 32 by 90. Next, convert 0.57 dot 4 dot 2 dot into fraction. So first introduce any variable x and 742 is repeating, so 742 742 742, right? These three digits 4 times, repeating 4 times. Now multiplying by 10, x becomes 10x and 0.57. After multiplying with 10, this decimal shift inside 0.5742. As our objective is like decimal series, 0.57 and 0.742 are not same, so keep multiplying by 10. So again multiply by 10, 10x becomes 100x, 5.74. Again multiply by 10, this decimal will shift inside, so it becomes 57.42. If we again multiply by 10, then x multiply by 10, 10x, 10x multiply by 10, 100x, 100x multiply by 10x, 1000x, and 1000x multiply by 10 is 10,000x, or अगर आप डेसिमल पार्ट को 10 से मल्टीप्लाई करोगे 0.5 मल्टीप्लाई बाय 10 इज़ 5.7, 0.57 मल्टीप्लाई बाय 10 इज़ 0.57 and 0.574 multiplied by 10 is 57.4 and 57.4 multiplied by 10 is 574.2. तो 10 से मल्टीप्लाई करने पर डेसिमल इनसाइड मूव करता जाएगा. इफ़ यू नोटिस, अब हमारा ऑब्जेक्टिव क्या होता है? हमारा ऑब्जेक्टिव ये होता है कि हमें सेम डेसिमल पार्ट बनाना होता है. तो यहाँ पर डेसिमल सीरीज़ क्या है ऑब्जर्व करें आप, ये है 5742 और ये है 742 और ये है 427 और ये है 274. तो 2742 और 2742 और इसके आगे अगर आप ऑब्ज़र्व करें तो 742. तो अब क्या हुआ, ऑब्ज़र्व करें आप, 742 और ये 742, ये दोनों जो सीरीज़ हैं इनके डेसिमल पार्ट्स सेम हो गए. काफ़ी ये लेंथी क्वेश्चन हो गया आपके लिए. सो वी विल सब्ट्रैक्ट 10,000x and 10x. 10,000x and 10x. Why? Because they have same decimal series. 0.742, 742, 742. 0.742, 0.742. Now subtract 10,000x minus 10x. 10,000x minus 10x and 5742 minus 5. As these decimal series are same, so they get cancel 0. So 10,000x minus 10x becomes 9,990x is equals to 5742 minus 5 becomes 5737. So if we divide, you will get answer. At the end, this is the last question for you. Convert 0.54.6 into fraction. I hope you all have understood the concept. Thank you.